Hello student, good morning. How are you? I hope you are very well. Welcome to our YouTube channel Gyan Manjari Model School. Today, Standard 6, Subject GE, Chapter number 3, Pronouns. What did we learn in previous video? So we just complete Focus A, Practice A or Practice B. Then now move forward. Our new topic is exercise is practice C. Practice C. What did we in this exercise? In the sentence below, some pronouns have been underlined. Can you say what kind of pronouns they are? मतलब कि इस सेंटेंस में आपको some pronouns जो है वो अंडरलाइन किए गए, उसको आपको टाइप बनाना है. What kind of pronouns they are? Then let's start. Diya told Mahesh that she wants to go to Antarctica. First sentence. Diya told Mahesh. Diya told Mahesh that she wants to go to Antarctica. Here she underline this word, then the answer is personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. What kind of pronouns? The pronouns is personal pronouns. Second one, the book. The book that Ritu is reading is written by Oscar Wilde. Underline this word that. Here, this pronouns is relative. What kind of pronouns? The pronouns is relative pronouns. Third one, Ankita said that she herself has been to the South Pole once before. Underline this word herself. Ankita said that she has been to the South Pole once after. Then the answer is emphasic pronouns, then the answer is emphasic pronouns. Emphasic pronouns, because the word indicate to herself, then the answer is emphasic pronouns. Fourth one, those are mother's glasses. Mother glasses, not mine. Kavya said to Seema. Kavya said to Seema. Here, underline this word those. Then, what kind of pronouns? Pronouns is demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns. Those words indicate to demonstrative. Those are mother's glasses, not mine. Kavya said to Seema. What kind of pronouns? Pronouns is demonstrative pronouns. Fifth blank. Tapas was looking for his binoculars. Binoculars, are these his? Underline this word his. Then this is the answer is possessive pronouns. The answer is possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns. First of all, write down this answer in your book, then we discuss about one by one. Okay, student, let's discuss. Here, Dia told Mahesh that underline this word, she wants to go to Antarctica. What did we in this exercise? Then here underline this word and we can say that what kind of pronouns. So here in this word she underlined this word, that means the type of personal pronouns. She indicates two personal pronouns. Then the answer is personal pronouns. Second one, the book that Ritu is reading is written by Oscar Wilde. Here, this underline this word that is indicate to a relative pronouns. Then the third one, Ankita said that she herself has been to the South Pole once before. Here in this word herself, underline this word herself indicate to emphasis pronouns. Herself indicate to emphasis pronouns. What we learned in previous video. Fourth one, those are mother's glasses, not mine, Kavya said to Seema. Here those were underline this word, so here those is indicate to a demonstrative pronouns. In previous video we learned that if the particular thing is near, then in singular or plural point of view this is means this thing is near, and then that means far away. So point of the far away in singular, but here this sentence is in a plural, so that change into those. So here point of view मतलब कि आप कोई भी चीज को पॉइंट कर रहे हो तो इस प्रोनाउंस को हम क्या कहेंगे? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ दिस प्रोनाउंस? दोज इंडिकेट टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस. Fifth one, Tapas was looking for his binoculars. Are this his? Underline this word his. So here his indicate to possessive pronouns. So next exercise, extension A. Fill in the crossword with words from the box that must go into these blanks. So in the bracket give the words is, something, all, everything, some, anybody, one, everybody and somebody. So here I just fill in the blanks and you written this spelling in your given your boxes. Okay student, then let's start with the first blank. I drop the marbles. I drop the marbles on the floor. Before start this exercise, you notice that the one is across. To indicate to across. So in first blank, I drop the marbles on the floor. Blank, I picked up that. I I couldn't pick up all of them, but I couldn't pick up all of them. Here in this one, first across, and the first answer is some. Here student, some of the boxes in your book with one box, 2, 3 and 4. So here, first one, sum. So put over here, right answer is like this, sum. Okay, with here and here also, as you given in boxes in your text book. Next one, blank was done one time. Was done on time. Blank was done on time. So here second one answer is everything. Everything was on time. So here you just write down in second box everything. Okay, so that like this in your box for second answer in your textbook. Third one, blank sent Neha a box of chocolates. It didn't come with a message. So she does not know who it is from. So here third number, blank sent Neha box of chocolates. It didn't come with her message, so she does not know who it is from. Then third answer is somebody, because here not a particular person described or not a particular person here. So answer is somebody. So you just write down in your as a space in your textbook in number 3, somebody. And then across in fifth number, I like my friends. Blank of them are nice to me. I like my friends, blank of them are nice to me. Here the fifth number, the answer is all. I like my friends, all of them are nice to me. So here first of all write down this blank in your book, and then also space provided in your textbook like this. Both answer you must have to written this in your grammar book. Okay student, then we will move forward our down spellings. So student, have you written this? Then now move forward down. Down in first one, she is always happy. She is always happy about blank or another. So here our first answer is something. Fourth number, blank nose Shah Rukh Khan. Blank's nose Shah Rukh Khan. He is famous actor. Fourth number, blank nose Shah Rukh Khan. He is famous actor. Everybody knows Shah Rukh Khan. He is famous actor. So here answer is everybody. Fifth blank has blank sing my water bottle. I left it on my desk yesterday. I left it on my desk yesterday. Then the answer is anybody. Has anybody seen my water bottle? I left it on my desk yesterday. Sixth one, my computer has been giving me trouble. My computer has been giving me trouble. I think I should buy a new. In the blank, and the answer is 1. My computer has been giving me trouble. I think I should buy a new. The answer is 1. So here, first of all, write down this answer in your book, then move forward for here how to write this spelling in your GE book. Okay student, so first of all write down So here student, some of the chart like this in your grammar book. So here our first answer is some, S-O-M-E, across. Then down also one is first answer is something. So here S already given to you, means first answer is S already given. So here S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G, something. Here first one across and first one down. So here some or something. Second one, our answer is everything. So here E already included in one. So here E, V, E, R, Y, T, H, I, N, G. Everything. Our second answer is E, V, E, R, Y, T, H, I, N, G. Everything. So here third one, somebody. So here our put over here answer somebody. S O M E B O D Y, somebody. Then fourth answer down in fourth answer is everybody. So here E is already helped to us. So here E, V, E, R, Y, B, O, D, Y. Everybody. Next one, fifth one, anybody. So here A and Y is already included. So B, O, D, Y. Anybody. Fifth one, in across, I like my friends blank all. So here A is already included, so put over here double L. A double L. And fifth also anybody. So here like this, anybody in down and across all. Both answer in across or down. Across answer is all and then down answer is anybody. Then last one, sixth answer is my computer has been giving me trouble. I think I should buy a new one. So here N is already included, so O N E, one. So student, here chapter number 3 with exercise we just complete. Then move forward unit number 4 in our next video. So you just write down and then what is your homework? Your homework is write this exercise. Practice C and extension A in your GE book. Okay student, we will meet in our next video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day student. Bye student.